Guys, Leva, we're gonna try the blueberries. You know, he likes to drink blueberry smoothie, but he didn't really try just the only blueberry. So this is the challenge. Then he can have 10 minutes phone.
No, 15.
Okay, 15. Come here. Show it to me if you can. And you need to swallow it and chew and swallow it. How is it? Yeah, that challenge is not accepted if you're not gonna swallow it. Chew it first and swallow it. Oi.
I don't like the taste.
Oh no, that's blueberry. Google. Chew it. Pardon me. Chew it.
I know.
You're not gonna make it. That's no, it's not about being full.
I don't like the
It's doing the
taste.
challenge, so
I don't.
also no phone then. Cause you need to eat it.
I want to eat the whole thing.
Yeah, only one, okay?
Just 2 bites, that's it.
Chew and swallow. That's the challenge. Eat that's blueberry.
Because I'm tired of useless.
It's not useless. It's fun. It's a challenge. You need to feel it and chew it. Hoy! Did you chew? Did you feel it? How is it?
No.
Really? But you're drinking ginger. What is this? Blueberry smoothie. Oh, well done.
I don't like
Oh, I'm so
it.
proud of you. You did it. Wow.
But I don't like it.
You don't like? Okay, you just like blueberry smoothie, eh? With banana and milk on it. But anyway, Zoe
So
likes...
bye-bye subscriptions.
What subscription? Zoe likes it. Zoe, I need to squash it for her safety. Good girl. Well done.